guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another weekly reset, but this time I'm actually going to show you guys the process of meal planning, grocery shopping. We're also going to be making a lasagna because we're going to celebrate Mother's Day with James's mom. Originally the plan was to be with his mom, my mom, and my grandma because we were all going to be on our Hawaii cruise, but obviously that didn't happen. So we're celebrating with his mom this week, and then we're actually all going to Tennessee this next weekend. So we'll be celebrating with his mom and my grandma then, but we are celebrating today with his mom, with the rest of his family. So I am making a lasagna because that's one of her favorite foods. So I was like, I'll just make a lasagna, and like his siblings are bringing stuff and we're just having like a good family dinner tonight. So we're gonna be doing that. So you'll see me making lasagna, you'll see the meal planning, grocery haul side of things. You're also going to see me cleaning because I need to get the apartment tidy. I have a lot of stuff to do this week, so I really need to get my week prepped the right way so that way we can get everything done. So that is what we're gonna be doing today, and I hope you guys are excited for that. Also, I'm gonna pop my head out on my deck and show you guys the finished, like we finished it to where Dixie can go out there now. And I love it. I am so obsessed. It's not like the prettiest thing, but it's like functional, you know, and I still think it looks good. You guys will see what I mean in a minute, but at least now she can go outside and sit on the deck with us, which is really nice. So
roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire.
So for the meal planning portion of this video, I normally just go through, I look through my fridge, my freezer, and my pantry to decide what I have, what I need to buy, and then I start making a list. I'm also going through and I've picked out a couple meals for the week for dinner, and I see what I have and what I need from those meals, and then I write them down on this little grocery shopping list. And that is kind of how I've been doing my meal planning lately, and it seems to be really working for us, so I'm going to keep doing it this way. But that's kind of just what I do. I just kind of look and see what I already have because I want to make sure I'm not wasting food, and then I just add to the list whatever I need. So yeah, that's pretty much how I meal plan. Okay guys, we are back from the grocery store, and real quickly I'm gonna show you guys our little grocery haul, and then we're gonna put stuff away and continue getting ready for the week, which means cleaning this disgusting stove. Like, what is going on here? What do you think is going on here?
We cook.
Okay, so anyway, we're gonna go through this pretty quickly. So here we go. We bought some chicken, We don't need this much for the whole week, but we're gonna freeze whatever we don't use. We bought 2 boxes of lasagna noodles because, like I said, we're making stuff for Mother's Day. We bought just 6 eggs for the lasagna. I'll show you guys the recipe whenever we make it. 2 packages of green beans for our dinners. This week we got these ballpark golden hot dog buns. They were out of the kind that we've been getting, so we had to go with this one, but there's like 12 of them, so like we should be good for a while. Some bananas, 2 packages of mozzarella cheese, which is for the lasagna. We got this big thing of Prego, which is also for the lasagna. Normally my mom's recipe is like she just makes her own, but she was trying to make it easy for me today because, you know, busy day. Then we've got all the breadsticks, so that's fun. Then we have Captain Crunch Berries, or Captain Crunch Berries, I guess is how you, Captain, like James is gonna correct me, so I just correct myself first. So we got the giant size of that for our breakfast this week. We bought some Doritos Cool Ranch for our lunches. We have ricotta cheese for the lasagna. We have the cream cheese also for the lasagna. We have 2 packages of hot dogs because that's what we've been eating for lunches. We got our lactose-free whole milk for our cereal, and we got the chocolate milk because they've kind of, it's been hit or miss if you can get this at the store, so when we see it, we just grab one. 2 packages of ground beef, again for the lasagna. Some Parmesan cheese for the lasagna. And then James just thought he had to have these pears, so we got some pears.
They're good.
I know. So anyway, that's our grocery haul. Now we got to put it all away, continue cleaning. I don't know that we're really going to clean the kitchen until like we're actually cooking, because we're just going to make it messy again. So I did run a load of dishes. I did run some dishes, so we'll unload that and reload. But like I said, we'll wipe down stuff before we start cooking, but we'll have to clean again. So yeah, that's what's going on. Okay, we have some of our ingredients here. We have some stuff over there. James is washing pans and pots and all of everything that we're gonna need, and we are gonna get started on this hopefully super delicious lasagna. I almost forgot what we were making. I was like, what is that?
No.
What is that stuff? So, oops, hang on. So I like jotted down my mom's like stuff that she told me, but she did say normally instead of ricotta cheese, she uses cottage cheese and then she mixes cream cheese with it to make it a little bit more like creamy. But I know someone here who hates cottage cheese, and I was like, if he sees me putting this in there, he might not want to eat it. Didn't want to like completely disgust him, so we just went with ricotta. But my mom said that I could add some of the, why is it not wanting to focus? Some of the cream cheese, and it'll make it like creamier and delicious. And then you add like eggs to the cheese mix to make it like creamier or fluffier. I don't know. Anyway, that's just what she said, and her lasagna always tastes amazing, so I trust her. I don't know if I trust me making it, but I do trust her. So we'll see how this works. All right, so he's putting the pot of water. It's not a pan, the pot of water, so we can make these noodles. It's gonna be great. I'm excited. I'm also a little nervous, but hey. All right, I'm gonna get the pan and I'm gonna start browning off the hamburger so I can let that do its thing. It's gonna be great. Got the ground beef in here. We got our water. We're getting it done though. Dixie, are we getting it done? Are we getting it done? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, so update. We have our meat and sauce ready to go. It's simmering so it gets, you know, more flavor. We've got the first batch of noodles, which are about to be done, and we're gonna put them over here on this parchment paper. Then we have our cheese mix, which has ricotta cheese, cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, and then eggs. So that's happening. And then the mozzarella is just gonna go on top. So yeah, it's coming together. I really hope this turns out okay because I'm really kind of stressing about it right now. Thank goodness I have James to help me, so if it goes wrong, I can just say it was his fault.
Probably was.
Just kidding. So the lasagnas are in the oven. They have 22 minutes to go. We have all of our breadsticks right here, but I think we're gonna cook them when we get over there because they only take 5 to 6 minutes. That way they'll be like nice and hot and we don't have to worry about how we're gonna like, you know, get them over there. We're just gonna take them in these boxes. So yeah, James is helping with the cleanup. I wiped down all the counters. So now it's just a matter of waiting on the lasagna to be done. And then we're gonna put the lids on them. And I'll show you, I forgot to show you before we put them in, like how we assembled them and stuff. But we're just kind of running on close time here, if it'll focus. So we just wanted to get them in the oven. I'm very, very stressed about it. Okay, you guys, the lasagna is done. This is what it looks like. And then all the layers. And we have a second one right here. We're putting the lids on them so that way they stay warm. And then we're gonna head out. Guys, we're back for like 2 seconds. Do you want to tell them why we had to come back?
Because somebody named James forgot to bring the card after they packed it up.
For his mother. Wow. So much love for your mom. You just forgot her card.
It's just hard to forget when I give her so much.
Wow, I hope she watches this. She'll probably be like, yeah, it's true. Okay, tell everybody, give your review of the lasagna.
It was awesome. So good that didn't have cottage cheese in it. No, it was really good. It was probably like top 3 lasagnas ever.
Okay, we gotta go back to the party now so we can give the card. We're back!
A dinosaur story.
So we made it back. It is 9:18, so we were gone for quite a while. Now, James is gonna play video games. It's what he does every Sunday night. And I'm going to sit down and write everything in my planner. So I'll show you guys that. Not in my like planner that I do my plan with me's, but like my planner where I can actually write stuff down and I don't care if it's cute or if something has to be canceled or moved. So I'll show you guys that and how I like pre-plan my week. I have a lot of stuff to do this week, so I'm a little like, I don't want to say stressed, but I'm just like, how am I gonna get all this done, you know? Sorry if you can hear Dixie like hacking up a lung over here. You okay? You all right?
Sorry,
no, lighting's terrible. So anyway, I'm gonna go do that while James plays his weekly video game thing. So this was this week, and this is like kind of how I pre-planned. So I just kind of like, I don't know, make like to-do lists. I don't even know what I'm trying to say right now. It is almost 10 o'clock. I need to go to bed. So what I like to do is I will take leftovers from the kit that I used in my vertical planner before. So this is what my spread looks like from this week in this planner, and this is the one I do all of my plan with me's in, and I like it to just look neat. It's more of like a scrapbook kind of situation. Even though I have to-do list, it's still more like memory keeping, I guess, but like, I don't know how to explain it because I film it the week of, but I fill it in kind of as I go. So anyway, I just take the leftover stickers from that and I put them in here. So I'm gonna sit down and do that and figure out what I need to do this week, but I will set up the camera and show you guys as I'm filling it out. But yeah, that's just kind of what I do, so that way I don't like waste any stickers, because there's like a ton of stickers left over in my kits. So I like to just use this. Actually, I should throw this sheet away, but it has this one sticker, so I need to find a good use for that. So yeah. That is it for today's weekly reset. I hope you guys enjoyed this and like seeing just a different kind of weekly reset. You know, like we did a weekly reset, but also we like made lasagna and everybody really liked it, so that was good. And really exciting for me because I like it whenever people like what I cook. So if you guys want the actual recipe, let me know and I can like include it in the description box. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this weekly reset. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button because I've got a lot of sticker related content coming your way, a lot of cleaning, lifestyle, organization, everything. So I'm excited about that, but make sure you click that subscribe button as well as that bell notification. That way you never miss a video from me, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.